What's up, cooks? We have a new stand mixer in the house. This is the VIVOHOME. This is a 9-in-1 mixer. It's 7.5 quarts. I figured we would get our first look at this instead of combining it into our test and review because there's a lot in here and there's a lot to look at. So welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So if you haven't realized that by now, we are all about the stand mixer here at Amy Learns to Cook. It is one of my favorite kitchen appliances, kitchen tools, right? So today we have a VIVOHOME mixer. We've looked at other mixers of theirs. They're amazing. And today we're going to be looking at the 7.5 quart. This is a newer model. And this pack comes with a lot of stuff. It's got meat grinders, it's got blenders, it's got pasta makers, it's got all kinds of fun stuff, right? So I just want to thank VIVOHOME for allowing us to try this mixer out. We will be doing a full test and review, but today there's so much in this box that we have to, we got to get our first look, right? So links for this will be down in the description. Yeah, stand mixers are my favorite chocolate. Right, Boo? Whoa! So one thing that's interesting about this mixer is it has a proofer on board, right? Mm-hmm. A lot of people want like a countertop proofer. They don't really make too many of them. This one has it right on the mixer. Right?
Don't do what we did.
What?
Leave it in there a little too long and poof!
Don't overproof it, that's for sure. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Yeah, there's a lot in this book. So here we have a nice manual. Tells you all the technical details about it. So it's 660 watts. How to put it together, how to use the functions here, how to use the meat grinders, the sausage function, the shredder, the blender, all kinds of stuff. This mixer has a lot, right? Let's see what we got here. So this mixer comes with your slicer shredder. That's pretty cool. So there's your pusher. Here is your shredder. Maybe we'll shred some stuff. And here is the slicer shredder. Whoa. It also comes with a splash guard. Yeah. And it comes with, whoa. It's got a bunch of stuff on the inside.
It's gonna really collapse, Annie.
What?
It was doing like an A.
So this looks like the tray to the meat grinder. Yeah. Hold on.
Rock and roll.
Oh. We gotta flip this thing because it's upside down, though. Mm-hmm. Hold on. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. So what else do we have here? We have paddle. Yay. We have, this is interesting. This is like is this an egg thing?
egg separator maybe?
That's really nice. Here's our meat grinder. Metal. With the dies in it and the cutter. Okay. So this is your meat grinder. And when you're grinding meats, this is going to go on top so you can put your meat in here while it's feeding through. Sweet. And this keeps going, right? A blender. This keeps going.
There's a lot.
Yeah, so in the blender, don't forget, look for these parts because there's additional parts for the slicer shredder. So you have a fine shredder, you have a slicer, and then you have your main shredder, your large shredder. So this is the blender. Now we're getting to the mixer. Wow. You guys want to see what this mixer looks like? You ready?
Sure.
Ready, Freddie? Yeah! Awesome! So, this is really nice. So up here we have all digital display. And, whoa!
More goodies.
More goodies. It has a whisk, dough hook. So in here, this is the pusher, right? But inside here, you're going to find more parts to your meat grinder. So it's going to have 2 more blades on here. So we have fine, medium. Then on the meat grinder, you have the large.
Chili grind, Vivo.
So this has something interesting. I think this goes on the meat grinder. This has a cookie press. Like we recently used a cookie press when we did the cookbook club. And this has a cookie press for the mixer. So it has a star, different shapes to press cookies. I've never seen that with a mixer. And here you have all the dies for the pasta, making pasta. So you have this, so this is a pasta press. So you have different kinds of, this one make fettuccine. Whoa. So we have 2, 4, 6 different kinds of pasta shapes on there. And then we have our bowl here. Whoa, this is huge. So this is 7.5 quarts. Whoa, this mixer is major. It got suction cups on the bottom. Doesn't seem to be jumping around. Interesting. Okay, so like I said, once you make your dough, this has a fermentation, so that allows you to let it rise in the mixer, right? So to do that, you're gonna turn this knob to the F right here, and it's gonna say OF fermentation, so it defaults to 60. So what happens is, here, in this base of the bowl. So there's a plate in here that warms up your bowl and gives you the warm environment you need for a good proofing. And then here it has a timer. So we're going to put it on 1, and it's going to tell us how long we're doing it. Or you can set a timer. You want it to so you can let it knead, and it says kneading there. Kneading, mixing, whisking. That's pretty cool. I like it. So this is our hub back here for the blender. And we're gonna go ahead and take that off. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the blender on here. And you'll just put your ingredients in there. And you got a blender. On all these multifunctions that have the blender like that, you don't need to put your paddle on there, but it will turn down here as the attachment is going. Because that's where the drive shaft or whatever, that's what that is. So we have the blender there. And then we have this front hub. This thing here is just magnetic. And let me put on, I can put on the meat grinder. And then you can put your tray on top, and this is your pusher. So you push the meat down there, and it's gonna come out here. Grind the meat. So it comes with the slicer shredder. I tried to get it on and I couldn't, so I'm gonna play around with it and see what I'm doing wrong. So here's our pasta maker. And there's the blender. Oh, this is the meat grinder. So this looks kind of neat so far. We have a lot of different functions. We have the proofer in there. We're going to give this a run for its money. Stay tuned. We're going to be testing the VIVOHOME out, this 9-function mixer with the proofer. Thanks for joining me. Links will be down in the description.